Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can zoom into your media and how you can also zoom in to your timeline on CapCut PC. So to zoom in to like your media player, like your videos here, just select this button and then you can zoom in to like a point and you can drag this around, and then you can zoom it out and like you can still like drag it around to like a specific point if you want to like see it in more detail. And to zoom in to like the track, for instance, it's like very small. Okay, let me just like make it super small, like this small. And you want to like add in some keyframes and you want to be able to see the timeline for it. So you can just select this and zoom out the keyframe and like move the sliders here to go to the part where you want to add the keyframe in. And that is basically it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!